So today we are sampling a PC. So here is our fan. In here there is a chip that's called processor, and all of this is called motherboard. And this is Isaac. This is RAM. So what's a RAM? A RAM is basically a memory that stores information with like 16 GB, 32 GB RAM. You can run multiple programs on a single computer at the same time, right? So this is a hard disk or SSD, and this is the power supply, and all of this is called motherboard, and this is CD-ROM. You click on it, and it pops out. You can put on a CD from here. This all done, and that's all called CPU.
आया मैंने जी सारे दस कहने बोलना दिस इज
So I'm here to help these guys.
I look back to my last year's.
Are you guys facing any problem?
I'll tell you in a second.
Possibly sitting in front of the computer going nowhere.
अपनी वीडियो बनाने हो. Are you guys alright? Do you need any help?
How did you get this thing?
Do you guys need any help?
Oh, no, we're good.
I'm helping my students.
There you go.
So here they are assembling the PC, right?
Turning back on again.
So,